needs protection. Not just any protection, the optimal protection. The optimal protection for your region, because climates in Europe and Africa are not the same. Nor are the climates in Asia and the Americas. The optimal protection for your needs, because the conditions in every house are different. And so are the challenges. Our experts know exactly what you need. And they also know what you don't need. All you need is nothing less than the optimal coating. The ideal metal protection strategy, tested worldwide, proven worldwide. The optimal performance at the optimal price. Only from Big Dutchman.